Alright, here's one of the newest little projects we got in, little 65 Chevy. Very clean little car. Black, as you can see. If we look down the side, that's a pretty damn straight little car too. This guy came out from Vancouver to see us. Malibu, if you're wondering the model. Came out from Vancouver. He brought it in. He's got a bunch of wiring issues that Chris is taking care of. He wanted all the window seals and all the rubber felts and all that taken care of, which Lisa's doing an awesome job on. She's already done the vent windows. She's already pulled them out and done all them. Done a beautiful job. So he brought out to us for wiring issues, window seals, and he's bought a kit which I haven't got here yet. He hasn't brought it out to me yet. It's a kit you can buy for these cars for boxing the frame. Now I can't remember exactly what he said was done to this engine, but it is hopped up quite a bit. He's put all Hotchkiss suspension under it. He's got disc brakes, front and rear, all the way around it. Beautiful car. And you know what I love about this guy? Is he brings it out one day and I'm like, wow, that's a nice little car. You know, I mean, it's a nice, beautiful driver. You know, I'm not going to say it's like a absolutely pristine show car. But I said to him, I said, okay, well, I can get you in December, January. He's like, oh yeah, no problem. So, you know, and like most guys that have vehicles like this, I'm like, well, you know, I guess we'll book a week, and whatever day's the nicest day, I guess I'll let you bring it out. He goes, what are you talking about? He goes, I drive my cars. I'm like, what? He goes, I don't give a shit if it's raining out. He goes, I drive this thing. And the more I got underneath it, and sure as shit, this guy drives it. He doesn't care if it's, I mean, he doesn't take it out in the snow, but on a rainy day, if he wants to take his car, he just takes it. He drives it. He has fun with it. He's like, it doesn't matter. I drive it. It's a car. So I even said to him, I said, you know, sometimes there's a chance when you're replacing all these window seals and that, you start pulling windows out, there's a chance you could get a scratch or a nick in the paint. You don't know what's going to happen. You're lifting a vent window out, car's been painted, the rubber might be sticking to the paint, might pull the paint off, you don't know. He's like, so, who cares? Touch it up with a brush. That's my kind of fucking guy. Just a car, have fun with it, enjoys this car, loves this car, but he's out using it and doing something with it. So you can see Chris is in there. Chris is doing an excellent job. He's got everything ripped apart right now, going through a lot of issues with this car. Somebody got in there and just cut the wiring everywhere. It had bare live wires laying here, there, you name it. So he's redoing all that. But the interior, someone's redone the interior at one point. And obviously it's had paint and body. It's a good solid car, no rust whatsoever. And just, you know, door gaps look good. Everything looks good. So that's what's happening there on that one. Let's take a little look under the hood here. Obviously it's a small block, but I can't remember exactly what he said was done to it. But I mean, it sounds good. You fire this bad boy up and you can hear it. You can hear the thing when he's at the end of my road, a block away, you can hear this thing coming down the road. So very cool car. Very good on the guy for driving it. Very good that he enjoys it. That is just great. So there we go. That is the newest project for just a little bit of work here and there. And of course the Charger's sitting up on the hoist there. She's waiting for her engine. The engine is down at the machine shop and the transmission is at the tranny guys. So we're waiting on that to get back. Should be back this week. And we'll get that put in and then we'll start to get that car together and then get her off for paint. So that's it, guys. That is what's going on here in the shop today. Remember, it's always good time and old time, and we will see you next time.